Welcome to the 2026 FPL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FPL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
No more skip traditions or something. Oh, yeah. Everything. As long as the glass up, everything will go up. Yeah. I mean that part almost that's 20% of the global supply. So it really hurts.
May ano lang, kasi pili ka pala yung maple, yung ano, yung laro lang nila, friendly. Pwede mo bang pili sa
Pero paano na lang? Paano na
Hindi, parang i-invite lang yung kung sino gustong pumunta.
Oo nga, pero ano yung details? Kailangan natin details.
Kailangan sa kanya.
Tapos, i-announce mo na rin dito. Yeah, everything. As long as grass. Sometimes you're gonna ask, this is not fair. but this is life. We need to survive, you know. Yeah, I told my wife because it's really hard to find nowadays tenants. It is what it is. So we'll do whatever we can do because this is survival. And don't think that we are the only suffering here. All of us. Only politicians happy. War? War makes them happy. War makes them money. May taga ano na naman ako.
Oh yes. Ano, may message. CPM ka raw niya sa Facebook. Yung mga dito.
Pero announce mo na rin. Really bad.
Hello. 2 minutes warm up. Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen, to another game of FPL basketball. Going head to head tonight. Our defending champion, Maple Leaf,
I don't do
going head to head with the Centurions.
You know my big card.
So,
I don't use it. It's in the
I
garage.
would like to thank everyone who came in tonight to support their own team. Thank you so much.
Small Kia. Yeah. Full electric.
And we're just waiting for the referee. And of course, before everything else, a quick shout out to our sponsor. Our sponsor, of course,
But
Taco Boys, Frederick Church, with Boss Rohan in the house. Thank you for coming, sir.
one
Guys, the Lowry Experience Team, White House Kitchen, 812 Working Halifax, and as a better property in the Federal Court. Thank you for supporting the league.
it's really big. So
1 minute, just waiting for the other referee, guys.
it will be likely if it's needed. I will just use it maybe once a week. But so practically, battery nowadays. I demand.
Yeah, take your time, boss.
Battery.
Hello, we are about to start same as always.
Welcome
Let's
to the
keep
2026
the game
FPL
clean,
Sports events.
competitiveness
Get
clean,
ready for an incredible season of
and
energy,
let's all have
community,
fun.
and high-stakes competition.
Referee's decision is final. Please
We
respect the
are honored
referee's
to introduce
decision.
our title sponsor for this year,
And,
Humble Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your
And
incredible support in
substitutions,
bringing
just
our
go in front
community
of
together.
the
A huge
table.
shout out to our gold
The
and
referee.
equipment rental.
Okay.
Your commitment to local sports
Then
makes
don't
all the
just go
difference
barging
for
in,
our
okay?
athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty.
Let's go!
Professional partnership
First
and
five!
dedication to the FBL
Centurions!
family. We are also proud to have
Maple
White House
Leaf!
Kitchen Pinot Fiesta
Centurions,
as a silver
black
sponsor,
jersey, Maple
bringing
Leaf, white
amazing
jersey.
flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us
Santi,
reach
we
new
need
heights
your- we
this
need
season.
your,
Join us every
expertise.
Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this
Ah,
season
nakita ka pa
legendary.
rin.
Thank you to all our
Ano
sponsors
ka na, pre?
and fans.
Ano na lang siya? Ano ba tayo dito? Yung...
Cameraman.
Cameraman.
Oo.
Ako na lang ba?
Yan.
Ako maglalaro. Cameraman.
Ikaw, oras, Dom, sa?
Ganun lang. Team.
Good luck to both teams. Be careful as always. Trabaho mo kayo bukas.
This week and next week, end of April, will be the last.
And a shout out to all that came in tonight. Thank you for supporting your own team and your husband.
Will be the semi-final.
Kanino ka na?
A shout out to April. Shout out to April.
Last four teams.
April.
And then
April.
final.
Bakit ngayon lang tayo nagkasundo?
July. The billiard.
Let's go! First five! Good luck to both teams!
Yeah.
Pre, ano na ba? Siren lang number 13. James ano number 5? Ano naman pa balls?
I guess also.
No, just the watch.
Okay lang yan, imagination mo lang yan.
You probably can't take his glasses off. Probably won't be able to see.
Yeah, is it
No, it's meant
normal
he's had a watch.
glasses?
He's had a watch.
Oh,
Fine.
I see. Okay.
Let's go! Let's go! And it's on! Edison! Quick pass to Mike! Edison, another try. No good. Kuya Nato with the rebound. Allen setting up. Allen to Kuya Nato. Off the mark. Paul guarded by Allen. Quick pass to Jeremy. No! What a pass from Jeremy. But Mike unable to convert. Allen to Ben. The way out. Hesitated. Ben driving to the basket. No good. Oh, Ben again. Ben lost it. Cyril got it. And a tip two. Eric to Allen. Step back. Allen, no good. And there's no foul. Triple team. Paul, I mean. Mike. Edison from the base, no good. Mike, no good. Jeremy, strong and a foul. 31, pass away, he's fouled. 31. Oh, Allen, first personal foul, first team foul, Centurion. Parang pagod ka pa, pre, ah. Hinga muna. Breathe, man, breathe. Jeremy! What a shoot from the free throw line, Jeremy. First basketball game by Jeremy. Allen, bounce pass. Kuya Nato again, one more try, no good. Out of bounds, and the ball will go to the white team. Low scoring ball game tonight from both teams. 7 minutes, 39 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Centurions haven't made a point yet. Mike to Edison again. No good. Edison again with the rebound. Oh, Cyril tries to beat it. And the ball will go to the black team. Black team haven't scored a basket yet. Eric to Kane! Bringing the rain! Kane for a three. First basket of the ball game by Kane. Paul with a miss. Jeremy, no good. Eric with the rebound. Good hustle from both teams. Allen setting up. Eric to deflected. And a foul. Second team foul. Centurions. Eric first.
Okay lang daw, sabi ng ref. Malapit ako naman ng Chalmers. Malapit ako ng Chalmers.
13 foul, Centurions. First team foul, Kuya Nato. Paul. To Mike. Oh, Cyril! Oh, what a pass! From basketball game. Allen! Edison, first personal, first team foul, Maple. Kuya Nato to Allen. Allen setting up. Allen guarded by Edison. Allen attacking, kick out to Kuya Nato. Kuya Nato! Oh! What a hit! Almost. Edison to Mike. Mike setting up. Mike guarded by Allen. Allen. And a foul. Allen, second personal foul, Allen. 14 fouls from Centurion. Warning for penalty, Centurion. Mike, looking for someone to pass. Setting up, Mike attacking. Mike, quick pass to Jeremy, and Paul. Oh, Jeremy with the hustle. Ben to Allen. For a conversion. Allen first basketball game. Allen. 2-point lead. Try it again. Wheel. No good. Peasant defended. Wheel. Nice defense from the black team. Allen. To Kuya Nato. Ayaw talaga. Oh, Kane with the rebound. Right. Edison. Oh, I know. Edison. First basketball game. Time out. Oh, substitution or time out? Oh, time out. They call it time out. Yeah. Time out. Centurion. Tied ball game. Good defense from both teams. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys, care of boss Rohan. Thank you, sir, for supporting the league. And Grice Lori with HPRC Micro Kitchen, 8 Club Mortgage Halifax, Acevedo Property, and equipment rentals. And thank you, the top bosses of Maple Leaf. Thank you for supporting your team. Thank you. Okay na yan. Let's go!
Yun!
Basicin nyo lang.
Yung sinasabi ko.
Basicin ko lang daw. Hirapan yung mga sarili nyo. Dali-dali ng basketball. Hirapan nyo. Basic lang. JR. Tunat. Nathan back to JR. Hesitated. Not again. No good. And Jeremy to screw the ball. JR attacking. JR bounce pass. And a foul. Oh, jump ball. White ball. Black ball? Oh, the ball will go to the black team. Keith. Pre, wala akong magagawa, pre. Kung ako lang, tigil na natin to eh. Vincent, no good. Out of bounds. The ball will go to the white team. And I would like to thank you, by the way, our special videographer, Santi. Thank you for giving us some needed assistance. Thank you. Oh, what a steal! Nice hustle by JR. Jet to JR. No good. Jeremy with the rebound. Mark it out. Mike. Touchdown, Mike. Mike. Sorry. Mike with a football pass. Relax lang daw. Pag pumasok si Fleur, yari kayo lahat. JR with the screen by Jet. JR. Vincent setting up. Not No good. Rebounded by Tyrell. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. We have a tie ball game. Very low scoring ball game tonight. Oh, what a pass! What a pass by Mike! What a pass by Mike! Maple now leading by 2 points. Vincent with a follow-up. No good! Tyrell again! Tyrell lost the ball. And the ball will go back to the black team. Nice hustle by Tyrell. JR again. JR with a new haircut. Pass to Vincent. Vincent with a shot. With a miss. Vincent again. Vincent lost it. Jeremy. And a permanent violation pala.
Hindi na makayupo.
Usapin natin yung mamaya, pre. Tanga na. Ikaw?
Kiss. JR. JR guarded by Edison. Vincent again. One more try. No good. Jess with a rebound. Vincent again. One more. Ayaw talaga. Vincent again. JR naman. Ayaw pa rin. Mike. Oh, nice. Steal by JR. JR almost lost it. JR. What a hustle.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
10. 5.
With a fake by Vincent. No good. And that is the end of the first quarter. We have a very low-scoring ball game tonight. Nice defense from both teams.
Huwag kang lumundag. Tumatalong ka agad eh.
Huwag kang lumundag. Tumalong ka lang daw.
And of course, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys, care of Boss Rohan. Guys, hello, with Imperial Team Icon Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. And shout out again to 812, shout out from Santi. Of course, special shout out from our videographer.
Because it's
Because it's the month of April, so quick shout out to April.
malapit na.
Let's go! Start of the second quarter.
Right, pahinga ka muna.
Okay. James going in for the first time. James, Keith! Start the play! Keith on the way! And a charge! Offensive foul! The first foul on Keith. First team foul. Paul Edison, James, I got this. James for a 3. First basketball game by James. Okay, no? Tama kasi din na basketball, pinapahirapan ko daw. Sabi ni Sir. Vincent, JR, pass Vincent, ayaw talaga! Isa pa, Vincent, ayaw talaga! Ayaw talaga! Edison! Edison again! Edison in the basket. JR. Keep setting up. Guarded by James. Kick out. Not hesitated to Jet. Oh, right goal. And the ball will go to the right team. Nabasa yung pass from Big Bro to Little Bro. James attacking. James 2 points. Ball. The blitz. No good. Kyrie get a foul. 16, sino yun? Not first personal. Second team foul. Ano ba? Time out ba? Ano ba? Ano ba? Referee decide. Ano ba? Time out? Yeah, time out last team. Pre, pag magka-time out kayo, advance nyo pre ha. Reminder na, kung magka-time out, advance nyo pre, advance nyo.
I thought they only had one in the first half.
Ano, there's one per quarter. Pag magka-time out ha, advance nyo ha, hindi yung agad-agad. Reminder lang.
Ayan.
Reserve sa 36 minutes.
Wala na time out.
Reserve sa kami. After 6 minutes.
Okay, paalala nyo, kasi hindi namin maalala yan, pre. Hindi namin maalala.
Sabihan ko lang kayo.
Sabihin nyo lang.
Tatong substitution. Hindi na ako makabalik eh. Ha?
Yes, sir! Tyree!
Galing yung star player na.
Uwi na tayo. Diyan si Pong.
Labas mo muna.
Uy, magaling ka dyan, baka mati kayo. Tyree! 1 of 2 from the free throw line. Traveling violation code. The ball will go to the black team. 6-point lead. 6-point lead ang Maple. Jet. Naghaharap. Vincent. Pasok ba? And the ball will go back to the white team. James.
Basta tira lang ng tira.
James. 2 points to Tyree. Jeremy with the rebound. Jeremy! What a follow-up by Jeremy. The tower of power. Jeremy. Tower of power. Vincent.
67. Vincent.
Jeremy Edison with the miss. Keith with the rebound. Keith. Blocking foul. Kane coming in for Vincent. Jeremy. Mike coming in for Jeremy. Sino yun, number 5? Sino yung foul? 5. James, the first personal. First team foul. Ano kayo sa referee? Guys! Wait! Substitution! Pakita kayo sa referee! Huwag kayong pasok. Antayin niyo yung referee, guys! Na-high blood niyo ako eh. Wala ako dalang dextrose.
Sab.
Substitution! Substitution! Punta kayo rin sa harap ha, para makita kayo referee, guys. Magulo eh, naguguluhan kami.
Demon!
JR! Oh! And a foul! Substitution!
Siren!
Sige, yung magpapasab! Pasok na, labas na yung sasab, kagad! Sinong foul? Rep, who's foul, Rep? 13 white? 14, okay. Mike, first personal, second team foul. Allen, double team. Jumbo! Alam na ka, Diyos. White ball, white ball, white ball. White ball. Black team kanina eh.
Talaga decision eh.
Walang yan.
White ball daw, white ball, white ball. White ball, black kanina eh.
Black ball.
Ano ba?
Black ball.
O, black ball daw. Sorry, guys. Referee's decision is final. Sorry. Thank you. Please come back again. Allen. And a foul. 31. Blur. Foul na agad. Blur.
Lodi.
13 foul ang Maple Leaf, 13 foul. Ben, to Kane. Cuyanato, no good. Adam with the rebound, Adam with a fake, Adam with a step back, bounce pass. Oh, another miss. Ball with the rebound. To James. James to Mike, I got this. No good. Kane with the rebound. Kane to Allen. Allen setting up. Allen attacking. Allen tossing. To Eric with that three. No good. Doubler with the rebound. To James. James setting up. James with the cross. James guarded by Allen. James to Paul with the fake. Paul hesitated. To James. James with that three. Too short. It's okay. Please try again. Parang pagod pa si James, pre. Anong nangyari? Eric again. Eric attacking. And a foul. 14, Mike second personal, warning for penalty, Maple, Kane with a shot, Kane and a miss. Oh! Miscommunication. Warning for penalty. Maple Leaf, warning for penalty, 14 foul. Less than 2 minutes remaining. Ben to Kane, to Cuyanato, now wide open, no good. Eric, no good again. Ben, what a hustle by Ben. No good again. James. Mike with the fake. Mike, no good. Ben to Allen all the way. Allen, no good. Cuyanato. Ano, time up? Dip. Pag na-shoot ni.
Dead ball.
James to Paul, no good. Mike with a Mike. Time out. Mikey. What a shot by Mike. 6-point lead, Maple. And again, a big shout out and a reminder, our kids, please attend to your kids. Kids, behave, kids. Sit down, let daddy play. Just watch daddy play, okay? Kids, just watch daddy play, okay? Kids, just watch daddy play. Okay? Please attend to your kids para maiwasan ang disgrasya. Ha? Sabi ko nga, watch daddy play eh. Ayaw ka panoorin, pre. Ayaw ka panoorin. Nag-walk out. Allen to Ben, no good. Fourth shot. Mike, oh! Lifting. Oh, shot, nice shot. Lifting. To Allen. Almost. Finish on the mark. And that is the end of the second quarter. Maple Leaf still winning by 6 points. Nice hustle from both teams.
10-11.
Boss. Ano mo? Ang oras? Para sa ano? Ilang pa? 5 minutes lang?
I tell you about it. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Ano? Dom, narinig mo na yung message?
No, now.
Okay na?
When is it broke? I still rather than no one is scared. I would ask someone I would just set up. But there was a way to go organize.
Ano, game na raw?
Guys, just reminder again, guys, please attend to your kids. Ingat lang tayo. Okay, kids. Just be careful, kids, okay? Just watch the net display. Third of the second half, let's go! Let's go! 6-point lead in favor of Team Maple. Four, and a pass to Jeremy! What a pass! I got a basket by Jeremy. JR with a new haircut. JR kick out to Keith, no good. JR with the break, JR. Oh, Jet almost lost it. Kick out to Cuyanato, no good. And the ball will go to the black team. What a hustle by both teams. Mike setting up, Mike. James, I got this. James again. Medyo lumalayo na ang Maple Leaf. Double digit lead by Maple Leaf. Cuyanato with an answer, no good. Mike, no good. Jet to Allen. Allen attacking. Allen baseline. Allen keeping the game alive for the Centurions. James again. James again. Back-to-back three by James. Kick out, Cuyanato! Ayaw pa rin talaga! Cuyanato with the miss. James with the rebound. James to Mike. And a foul.
Two.
22? 20, okay. Jet first personal, first team foul. Centurion, Cuyanato, Kane going in for Cuyanato. Mike. And that free throw shot is brought to you by Taco Boy, Fredericton. Care of Boss Broham, thank you for coming today. Mike! Second free throw shot is good, and that free throw shot is brought to you by Glyce Alori with EXP Realty. Allen guarded by Mike. Allen bounce pass to JR, almost lost it. Kane bringing in the pace for Team Maple. Team Centurion. James. Oh, what a pass! Oh, almost! Oh, nice hustle by Mike! Mike! Oh, good! King again with the rebound! What a hustle by King! JR! No good! Paul! The bleep! What a basket! Allen doing some footwork. Kick to Jet. No good. James. Oh, nice. King got a hold of that a bit. And a miss by JR again. Rebounded by Paul. Mike to James. James wide open. James again. Oh, where missed by James. Oh, but the ball will remain with the white team. James. And a foul. Jet, second personal foul, second team foul, Centurion. Great miss by James. Maple Leaf leading by 14 points. Thank you. Nice hustle by James, but the ball will go to the black team. Maple Leafs still leading by 14 points, double-digit lead by the Maple Leafs. Kane guarded by Edson. Kane to Jet to Keith. Oh my God! That's my own. And the ball will remain with the Black team. Walang shot na. For fourth quarter, last 5 minutes. Oh, Mike with a hustle! Nice steal by Mike! Mike on the way! Mike! JR to Keith. Keith to Kane attacking. Kane with a shot. Kane, no good. Paul with a rebound. Paul goes to Ghost. Paul, I got this. And a pass to Edison. Edison with a fake. Edison with a teardrop. No good. Keith with a spin. Keith with a shot. No good. James with a rebound. James to Mike. No good. King with a rebound again. Jet to Keith again. Back to Jet. Jet with a shot. No good. Rebounded by James. James to Edison. Wala pa rin. Oh my God. What a ball game from both teams. Good defense from both teams. James! Oh, and a miss by James! Paul, guarded by JR. Paul, bounce pass to Edison for a three! No good! Edison again! One more! Edison! Edison with a shot! No good! Paul made a strong rebound by Paul. Medyo malayo-layo na yan naman na Maple Leaf 32-15, leading by 17 points. Substitution. Cyril going for Jeremy. Jeremy, pre, para katakayin nyo na sa puso, pre, pahinga ka muna. Nice hustle by Jeremy. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. JR attacking, JR the bullet, kick out to Jet, and to Keith. Keith doing the footwork. Jet to Ben. Ben! Basket. Never say die, Centurion. Never say die. Mike. No good. Edison. No good. Jet to the rebound. Jet to JR. 15 points lead. Ben. Ben again! Back-to-back basket from Ben. Never say die, Centurion. Edison setting up. James with a fake. James, kick out to Mike. Mike all alone. Mike for a three. 35-19. JR. First basket of the ball game by JR. I check, ano na pala? Sorry. Check, third basket. Ilan naman nila, pre? 14 points. Oh, and okay. And one. And one. Nice shot by Mike. Yes. Time. No more time, no more time.
Shoot mo na!
Hey! Time.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Please try again. What a play by the Maple Leaf team. 37-21 in favor of the Maple Leaf team. We are down to our last quarter. Maple Leaf still leading by 16 points. And again, I would like to thank Santi, our videographer for tonight. Thank you, and a special shout out to April. April, thank you. Hindi ka pa dyan. Thank you. And to everyone who came in tonight to support their own team. Thank you. And of course, our sponsor, Jaco Boy Frederickson. Guys, the Lowry, Vical Kitchen, H1 Mortgage Halifax, and the Meadow Property and Equipment Rental. Let's go! Tapusin na natin to. May nabara ba ako? Let's go! I still have lottery! Dalihan nyo, maglalaba ba ako? Let's go! We are down to the last quarter. 16 point lead in favor of the Maple team. Kaya pa yan, Centurion, tiwala lang. Let's go, Mike! Mike attacking, Mike with a shot. Oh, and gave it to Cyril on screen. Block! What a block by King. Allen, Eric with a shot. Eric with a shot. Kaya pa yan. Wala lang. Mike! Bomb with the best! Allen with the rebound! Allen setting out! Allen with the inside! Ayaw pa rin talaga! Edison! Allen with the side step! Allen with the best! Eric! Wait for the referee, guys.
Black one.
Oh, black ball, referee decision is final. Allen! Rep, 3.
3 points.
Oh, 3 down. What a shot by Allen. Patay ang butike. Kung nasaan ka man. Pag pumasok ka na. Pag pumasok, hindi. Time out, white team! Who's foul, Rep? Who's foul? 25. Time out, black team! Eric, second personal, first team foul. Maple Leaf have 1 timeout left. Centurions have 2 timeout left. You have 2 timeout left, okay? 5 minutes, shot clock. Reminder, both teams, 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, shot clock tayo. Let's go! Centurions are cutting the lead by 11. Maple Leaf still leading double digit, 11-point lead still by the Maple Leaf. At dadagdagan pa ni Cyril, the destroyer. Cyril! The destroyer. Mike, no good. 12-point lead pa rin. 12-point lead. Kuya Nak. Traveling violation by Nathan. Mike to James, back to Mike. Mike guarded, Mike to Paul. Paul! No good! Rebounded by James. Eric! Wide open, Eric! Mike! 12-point lead pa rin. Maple Leaf is still leading by 12 points. James! No good! Where is my James? Not! Oh, nice hustle by James! James! Cyril the Destroyer! No good! Paul with a follow-up! Nice follow-up by the Blitz. Pasok? Sino yun? Allen, what a shot by Allen. Allen, another basket. 12-point lead pa rin. 12-point lead with Paul. Paul, and a pass to, and the shot, and two. Almost. And a foul.
Black side 16, black side 16.
Boom, going in for Cyril the Destroyer. Nice set by Cyril. Second team foul ang Centurions. Second team foul. Jetta, third personal foul, Jetta. Maple Leaf, 1 timeout left. Centurions, 2 timeouts left. Edison, your basket. Vincent with the bait. Vincent! Another basket by Vincent. Ayan na, nag-iinit na si Vincent. Yari na kayo. Mike, oh, Allen! Nice hustle by Allen. Nice hustle, Allen. Nice hustle, Allen. Boom! Boom! To Mike! Mike! To Edison! Edison! Oh! Malak. Allen! Allen with the cross! Allen! To James! Bringing in the pain! For the Centurion! Edison, 8-point lead. Maple. James with a answer!
Dead ball.
Time out.
Ayos lang.
Ayusin na ni Edison.
Time out, Centurion! What a hustle by the Maple Leaf. 13-point lead. Both teams have 1 timeout left. Both teams have 1 timeout left. 13-point lead. Hindi na yung timeout. Hindi nga. Both teams have 1 timeout left. Both teams have 1 timeout left. And again, a quick shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boy, Fred Richards, Liza Lowry, Viscount Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, and the Meadow Properties and Equipment Rental.
Palagi mo i-mention to. Dito yung iba, yung akin mo.
Let's go! JR attacking. Double team. JR double team. And gave it to Jet. To Jet. good. Edison with the rebound. Edison to Bong. Bong. Ben with the rebound. Ben on the way. Boundary violation. Nice defense by the Maple Leaf team. Forcing a turnover. James. James to Paul. Paul. Shot clock tayo shot clock tayo. Edison. Paul, no good. Rebounded by Jet. Foul and a foul. Paul. Si Paul, nakatayo lang, foul pa eh. Nakatayo ka na lang, foul ka ba? Ano ba yan? First personal foul. First team foul, Maple Leaf. Ay, si Bong pala yun, si Bong. Sorry, si Bong. First personal foul mo. Keep it a foul. Sige, dala lang.
Time out.
5-11. Time out. Time out. Double Centurion! And the foul is on number 11. Number 11. The Bleep, first personal, second team foul. Maple Leaf. Fourth quarter two. They are done.
No more timeout.
They have one timeout left. Maple, sabay ay timeout. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys Federation. Care of Boys Rohan. Thank you for supporting the league, sir. Keith going in for two. Ayun!
Penalty na kami.
Di ba? Ba't nyo kasi usugin? Inuusog nyo eh.
Foul.
Keith, 1 of 2, and that free throw is brought to you by Taco Boys Federation. And a turnover! And the ball will go to the Black Team. 10-point lead! 10-point lead na lang pala. 10-point lead in favor of Maple. JR with a shot. Oh! Block from behind! Mike! And a basket again by Mike! 12-point lead. Ben! No good! And Mike Edison! And a miss! Jet! Oh, JR almost got it! And a simple pass from Edison to Mike to a 2-point conversion. Nice basket and Mike. Medyo nagka-crumble ang depensa ng Centurion. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the last quarter. Ben with a fake. Whoa, what a fake! And one! What a fake! Three team fouls, Maple Leaf. And James first, second personal. Oh, Ben again! No good, James with the rebound. And he's done again! Maple Leaf East. Keith with a steal. Nice steal by Keith. Keith with some handle. Edison, no good. JR, no good. Paul to James to Mike to Edison. What a pass from Edison to Mike. Ayaw pa rin talaga. And again, a quick shout out, of course, our sponsors, Taco Boys Federation. Oh, that is it! Oh, the ball game! Maple Leaf taking a W for tonight. Nice hustle by the Centurions. Nice hustle from both teams. And again, this ball game is of course brought to you by Taco Boys. Carol Bosbro has Greg Valori by Conviction in front of the Canada. Thank you. And next ball game, the Raiders, River City Raiders versus sino ba ito mga to? The Young Stanas. Team 5. Watch out for the second game.
Wala pa yung mga puti, default na naman natin. Okay lang yan, tama na, may dunduri na po eh. 7 o'clock na natin. At 8:30. Yeah. It's nice to be here who will be the one who's coming with the award? Yeah, 7 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. Isa mo tumano? Wala pa mo yun. Si Daniel na yun. Luwa sila.
Kabayad sila wala? Sa gabi. Bayad.
Yeah, maybe next week.
Yeah. If you want to ask about Yeah, I'll come by next week sometime. Yeah. You can pick up the hoodies as well.
Okay.
Alright, then catch you.